Hi guys! So maaga tayo ngayong araw na to kasi pupunta tayo ng Kalangaman Island sa Palompon, Leyte. So mga nasa mahigit 2 oras yung biyahe natin guys papunta ng Kalangaman. So after a few hours guys, nakarating na tayo dito sa port papunta ng Kalangaman. So first order of business for our trip today, pumunta muna kami dito guys sa wet market nila para bumili ng mga kakailanganin natin doon sa isla. So bumili muna kami guys ng isda at saka prutas. So yung dala lang namin guys galing ng bahay is marinated pork belly at saka rice. Yung iba dito na namin bibilhin. So marami kayong makikitang iba't ibang uri ng isda dito guys, at saka itong wet market na to malapit lang ito sa port ng Palompon papunta ng Kalangaman. Dito na din kami bumili ng toyo, suka at saka sibuyas. So papunta kami guys ng 7-Eleven para bumili ng kape at saka tubig na maiinom doon sa isla. So this 7-Eleven store guys na nakita namin is just a few minutes walk from the wet market. So finally guys, nabili na natin yung mga kakailanganin natin dun sa isla. Punta na tayo dun sa Tourism Inn ng Palompon. So the night before guys, I already made a reservation through their website. You can actually search for it on Google. So sabi ko lang sa kanila na meron kaming reservation under my name. By the way guys, kung may ibang mga passengers pa naman, you have the option not to rent the whole boat para makatipid kayo. At saka magkaiba yung entrance fee ng local at saka foreigners. So just in case magutom kayo guys while you wait for your boat, merong mga snacks na mabibili dito sa loob ng Tourism Inn. So once you're in the boat guys, you are required to wear a life jacket for your safety. So there will be a pre-departure orientation guys regarding safety at saka kung ano yung mga bawal dun sa isla. So malapit na tayo sa isla guys, and we were really blessed with a good weather today. So if you guys have decided to rent a cottage, dito na kayo guys magbabayad sa isla. So based on our experience, merong lumapit sa amin at saka nagtanong kung magre-renta ba kami ng cottage.
Do you hear that? My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out. On a trip, on a boat, on a lake. I'm tired of feeling all FOMO. Babe, I don't even care if we stay home. Put our to-do list on ice. We crank the AC to 79 and make a little island right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. I think I'll be the bottom. I gotta fill up. up Monday. We'll tell our phones, do not disturb. I got my straw hat, babe. And you can finally pull the tags on your Tommy Bahama shirt. Blue crush up on the 85-inch sound machine when we wanna hear the ocean. I think everything we need is right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. You don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Oh, this view of you, it's got everything I need. Yeah, the rooms, they're cheap. And if we don't wanna, we don't ever, ever, ever have to leave. Yeah, there might not be a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it.
Sige na.
Let's go guys!
Sige, pakita yung mga isda.
Nahuli namin doon.
Sa dagat. Ikaw, Bi. Sama sa imong da.
So guys, pork belly.
Pork belly. Isa man nag-marinate. Ha? Magaling ka na, love.
Isa siguro mo. Yan. Masyado malakas yung apoy yan.
Yun na, chef.
Isa lang, isa. Isa. Oo, isa lang. Isa lang muna yun. Masyado malakas yung apoy. So pagkatapos namin kumain guys, we decided to explore more of the island and then take more photos. As you can see guys, ang linaw at saka ang linis ng tubig dito sa Kalangaman Island. So that's it guys. So by this time nakabalik na kami ng Palumpon Port and I hope na na-enjoy niyo yung video. And if you guys have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for watching and see you in my next one.